the final. Which of these two teams will walk away with the trophy? A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with. They're playing three at the front in a 4-3 formation. They're playing a 4-4-2 formation. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Ronaldo. Nice work there. It's with the striker. Can he get a shot in? Indicates a corner kick. And that's into the box. Sends it long. Silva. He must score. Ronaldo shoots. Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Let's take another look at that. Aim towards a penalty spot. Oh, this could be costly. Bellerin with a tackle. Ronaldo. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Good interception. They've won the ball back again. We dribble there. The defenders back on the ball. Ronaldo. This player is taking on the opposition. He loves to run with the ball. Great skill from this player. Great dribbling. Striker's ball. Ronaldo. Oh, determined chap. Can he finish it? Zaha. And he scored. That's his first goal for the club. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Bellerin with the tackle. That play. The defender could be in trouble here. This player is taking on the opposition. He should save, and that's out for a corner kick. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. Ronaldo with the corner. Whipped in with... What an opportunity! Good for goalkeeper. And it's half-time then. Fans are settled and we're underway with the second half. Oh, well timed. Striker's ball. And here's the chance. It's Clark for his new team. A great goal. He'll be delighted with that. His first goal for this team. Let's see that one again. The score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. It's with the striker. What a well-timed tackle. Quality heading there. Oh, determined challenge there. And that's a throw-in. Well, with the calibre of players on the bench, I'm not surprised the manager will be making some substitutions. He can't quite believe it, nor can his teammates. He's put it in his own net. Always sad to see a player ball in his own net. He'll be hoping to make it up to his team now. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? That's good link-up play. Bale on the ball. Lost inside. What a well-timed tackle. The defenders back on the ball. Here's Mario. Oh, well timed. Extra time and penalties must surely be on the players' minds now. Not long to go till the 90 minutes is up. Well timed. And that's a forward. Oh, he did really well there. Ronaldo. He's onside here. He's found an opening. He's almost celebrating so happy. Let's see that one again. Full time, we're all square, on to extra time and possibly penalties. One or two tired limbs out there as we start extra time. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Ronaldo. Piatti. Long shot, well taken by the goalkeeper. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. It's and on back foot, and they need to get this one away. And with the defender now. Well cut out. Piatti. The defender regains possession, and now they'll try and break. Oh, determined challenge there. Ronaldo. A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? Still a lot to play for here. Both teams want to avoid a penalty shootout, so let's hope for a few goals. Ronaldo. Ronaldo! Confident goalkeeping there. Good distribution from the keeper there. Keeper sends it long. Well intercepted. Ronaldo. Can he get a shot in? Bale shoots. He really should be hitting the target. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Bale on the ball. Oh, he must score! Oh, look at that showboating. The defender's back on the ball. Here's Mario. Well, we're still level after extra time, so it's the dreaded penalty shootout. So much pressure. Oh, he's missed it. Surely he'll put this one away. And he's got from the penalty spot. Here we go then. Keeper guessed correctly. He can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. Good gamble by the keeper there. Oh, and he's missed it completely. Will the pressure get to him? Oh, how many? So much pressure. Oh, well taken penalty. He could be seconds away from glory here. Shootout.